Much obliged.
Oh.
Morning, Brewster.
Morning, Pete.
Delivery challenge!
Oh, my aching engine. I didn't expect this much in from the dock. Hope you've got your fast wheels on today, Pete.
Nope, just my usual slow and steady ones, Cormac.
But speed is what we need to get this delivered around Chuggington.
Oh, no. Slow is the way to go.
Then it'll take you all day to do your share.
Never has yet.
I tell you what, Pete, I challenge you to a delivery contest.
Alrighty, you're on.
This is gonna be so easy.
Morning, Chuggineers.
Morning.
Okay, Zach, what are we doing today?
We're relining a tunnel, Fletch.
All right. I'll get my bolting car. How exciting.
Take it easy, Don.
Here we are.
How long have we got?
These got this route closed until 4 p.m. That's as long as she can give us. These tunnels are very busy.
Then we better get to work.
3 containers to go to the safari park.
2, 3. I'll take them. And 2 for you to go to the farm, Pete.
2 tankers of fuel for the working wheels yard, and 1 for the foundry.
What's in that crate?
A new car for Chug Patrol. I'll take it to them. And this is riding gear for Action Chugger's new movie.
Hey, awesome! I'll take that. One of these days, Action Chugger's gonna notice me, and I'll become a movie star.
Hey, dream on, Cormac. What about this timer for the Chuggasonic speed track?
I'll take that too. I love the speed track. And these are signal lights to go to Eddie's workshop. You take them, Pete.
Okie doke. So that just leaves these tunnel lining sections to go to the Chuggineers.
Mine.
They're heavy, you know.
No sweat. I can handle a few tunnel sections.
Ready, guys?
Yep.
Ready as I'll ever be.
So make all of your deliveries and meet each other in front of CPHQ. First one there is the winner.
Oh, this is exciting.
3, 2, 1, go! Go on, Pete.
In a minute, I need to have a little think. First stop's the foundry, which is that way, but the city is this way. So it doesn't make sense to take all these cars with me, because I have to come by here again.
Yeah, Pete. Might as well save some energy.
Come on, Cormac.
Morning, Brewster.
Morning, Pete.
You okay, Cormac?
Hi, Emery. Oh, yeah. Just having a delivery competition with Pete.
That sounds kind of unfair.
I know. I offered to give him a head start, but he wouldn't take it.
I meant unfair to you, Cormac.
You're such a tease, Emery.
Morning.
Oh, boy. It's a long way to the quarry. Oh, feel the burn.
Looking good, Chuggineers.
Thanks. Where are the new tunnel sections, Zach?
They came in from the docks this morning, so I'm expecting them to be delivered soon.
Pete was right about these tunnel sections. Hold on, Cormac.
Okay, now I can take the rest of you.
Oh no! Come back! Phew! Good catch, Chug Catcher. You can all stay there for now. Back soon. Speedy! Delivery!
Obliged.
Oh, so what's next? Oh no! Action Chugger's already filming. Wait for me!
We're Truck Patrol.
And we're in control!
Now then, first stop, the working wheels yard. Always deliver the heavy load first.
Hey! Hooray! Just this time we're to get to the speed track. Oh, Cormac, you're gonna win this. Wheels down. Woo!
Zach, any sign of those new sections yet?
Stop worrying, Fletch. They'll be here.
He can't help it. He's a worry wheel.
Hey, I'm not, Don. Cut it out.
Here's your new timer, Hanzo. I've always wanted to try my wheels at racing. Can I take a spin?
Be my guest, Cormac.
I'm pretty fast, you know.
On your truck, get set, go!
And Cormac, the reigning champion, leaves the other challengers in the dust. He's supersonic, the blur, faster than Action Chugger. He's unstoppable! Wow! Woo! That was fun, Hanzo.
Anytime.
That's the last one.
I better go and chase up those tunnel sections.
Tunnel sections. Oh no! They're still on the mountain.
If we don't have them soon, we won't get the line reopened in time.
Catastrophe! Haste makes waste, Cormac. What have you done?
Oh, nice one.
My pleasure, Eddie. Woohoo! Nearly done. Chug Patrol HQ, here I come.
Quick, help! I need to pull some cars out of the Chug Catcher. Hello? Oh, anybody?
The Chug Patrollers are on an emergency call-out.
Oh, no!
Congratulations on winning the challenge, Cormac.
But I didn't win, Pete. You did.
Really?
Yeah, I lost the tunnel sections in the Chug Catcher on the mountain. Oh, they're miles away, and I can't pull them out of the sand myself.
Then I'll help you.
Oh, thanks. This time, I'll do it your way. Slow and steady. Thanks for your help, Pete. I've learned a lot today. Slow and steady is definitely the way.
Not always. There's life in this whole engine yet.